Guys, when it comes to remote work from home job, it is not really easy to get into one. And the worst is, if you're a female, some workplaces are not inclusive when it comes to hiring everybody, and they tend to marginalize women in these workplaces. But you guys know me, I always make the research for you to make sure that I get you the right information when it comes to remote work from home job. So if you're not part of this family by subscribing yet, please do well to do so. Now, this video is not to marginalize the male folks in our midst, because you guys know I always give you something that everybody can benefit from. So if you are a male and you're watching this video, I want to believe you have some females around you that you might want to share this information with, so please make sure to stick to the end. So that being said, I have found some platforms that support women when it comes to remote work from home jobs. As long as you have a skill and you're willing to do this job, you are allowed to come on board on these platforms to stand a chance to get some benefits that you're going to be getting by applying and being a member of these platforms for women. The first website we're going to talk about that allows women to come on board in their community, and if you're a female and you sign up to this website, you stand a chance to get things like their monthly job fairs that they do on this website. They have some exclusive events that you stand a chance to be a part of, and of course you get advices and career tips from experienced individuals on this platform, and you also get to gain some expert-led up skills to help you to navigate your job and everything that has to do with the skills that you're going to be needing to be able to stand a chance to be where you want to be career-wise. So this platform has made that available for women from all over the world. So apart from all these things I just mentioned, you can also find job available on the job boards they have on this platform, so you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is Power to Fly, so you might want to check it out. Another website that provides similar service to women is this one that will give you career tips, guidance, and it's going to give you up-to-date or industry standard trending events and programs to keep you up to date when it comes to the job you're interested in. Now, aside from this, you also stand the chance to have some questions you may want to get some answers to answered in a very safe and secure environment, and you have also the opportunity to explore opportunities with the companies that may want to hire you on this platform. The good thing about this fairly god boss is the fact that it's more like a social platform. Like, once you join their community, you stand a chance to chat with people, you answer questions, you don't know who is watching you, you can network. Like, that is the main part of getting employed these days, is by networking. So it allows you to create wide network and links with people that can potentially help you. All you need to do is just to be active and give intelligent responses to some questions that may be asked, and of course ask for clarification and guidelines, and you're going to see people that have already gone far ahead of you when it comes to their career and that are willing to guide and direct you on what you should do and what you shouldn't do when it comes to building your own career as a woman. So that is the best part about this platform. So you might want to join their community and sign up with them, and hopefully things works out for you. So the name of the platform is Fair God Boss, so you might want to check it out as well. Now, the next website I want to talk about is one that has criteria for their prime employers. What it means is that before you stand the chance to be able to employ somebody on this platform, you must meet those criteria. Like, they have a lot of things here, like you must demonstrate executive leadership commitment to gender equality, you must forge a female hiring pipeline from early career to executive levels, you must value and support flexible working environments, and monitor progress and outcomes from equality initiatives and activity. So these are some of the criteria you must have before you be able to be their prime employer on this platform. Now, the good thing about this platform is that they have categories of work depending on the level you are on your career journey. If you're looking for internship or apprenticeship program, if you're experienced and you're looking to be hired as an experienced individual, or you are an executive, that is the level you are in, or you are a freelancer, whatever it is you are, they have categories of jobs that are available for whatever category that you are in, as long as you're a woman on this platform, or someone that has taken a career break and you're returning as a woman. So you also stand a chance to find your own category on this platform. So that is the best part about this platform. That means that you have a tailored search to where you fall in. You don't need to start looking in different directions. You just have everything categorized well, so you know where you fall in, and then you find the job that suits you based on where you fall in. So the name of the platform is Where Women Work, so you might want to check it out. Now, like I used to do, I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section, so when you see it, just tell me seen in the comment section so that I know that you have seen it. Secondly, I'm going to also share with you a platform where you can find all these platforms. Like, you don't need to search elsewhere. Like, it is an all-inclusive platform where you can find anything you're looking for when it comes to remote work from home job as a woman, and also you can find other jobs even if you're not a woman on this platform. So make sure to stick to the end of this video. So moving on, the next website we're going to talk about is one that allows women to freelance. Like, it's more like a freelancing platform for women. In fact, the name of the website is Freelancing Women, and on this website it's just like Fiverr. You have to create a directory on this website where people get to see everything about you, including your portfolio, what you can do, your qualification and stuff like that. And they have people coming on that place to look for freelancers that are female that are going to work for them on the platform. So you can also create your own directory that you can share on your social media platforms for people to get to see you and know what you can do, and of course for you to market yourself so that you can draw people from external sources to come and hire you on that platform. So that is how that basically works. And aside from this, the good thing is you also find job boards on this platform. Like, you find jobs that are available and open for hiring. Like, they are hiring people depending on your skill on this platform. So if you're a woman, you might want to check it out. You can create your own directory, and you can also look for jobs there if you're interested in the jobs that are made available. So you might want to check it out. Now, the next website we're going to talk about is one that collaborates with a lot of companies when it comes to remote jobs. Like, people, they have trusted companies that are verified, that work with them on this platform to post jobs and to hire people from the platform. Now, on this platform, you're going to see job opportunities that are hiring and everything, the qualification, the amount you stand to earn and stuff like that on this platform. So if you're a woman, you are interested in looking for a job, you're actively searching, then you might want to check it out. The name of the website is Remote Woman. They also have a community where you can join, you can come on board, and you can get to have your resume, reviewed and stuff like that on their community. So you can sign up on the platform and then you can get started with them looking for a job and of course getting hired on the platform. So before I review this platform that I told you earlier, that it's an all-in-one platform where you can even find e-learning platforms to upgrade your skill, or different type of jobs, whether writing, whether work, remote, hybrid, any type of job. Even if you're not a woman, they also have a section for women. Like, it's an all-in-one platform. But before we go ahead, please take a time out, like this video. If you've seen value on this video so far, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We are grateful to all of you that has been supporting us so far. So moving on, the name of the website is called Diba. When you come to the website, this is what the interface looks like. You can see that you can add your job board here, or you can search for job boards. So these are remote job board lists. As you can see, every individual is represented, and if you want teaching, you can click here. Remote first, you can click here. Now, for purpose of this video, we're talking about women, so we're going to click here where it says women. So here you can see platforms where you can find women jobs, everything related to women, including the ones that I just mentioned. This is a Fair God Boss. This is Power to Fly that I mentioned, Remote Woman that I mentioned. So, and other platforms that I didn't even mention that are here, Alpha, Higher Tech Ladies. This is for ladies that are in tech. So you must check it out. The good thing about all these platforms that I mentioned is that they offer women career support to help them get started. So if you're a woman, make sure you don't sleep on this opportunity. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We are grateful to all of you for your support. If you're looking for a remote work from home job, typing job, website testing job, our different varieties of remote work from home jobs, do well to check out this video showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.